What's up, guys? JJ here with another bubble tip. And today we're talking about naming conventions, workflow folders, and internal notes on your application, all with the intention of making your apps easier to maintain and to make it easier for other developers to come in and work with you in a team environment. So let's start with our naming conventions. My intention is always to make it so the element is kept in the name, but to make it as short as possible. So with PU, you see this stands for Popup. FG stands for floating group. GF is group focus. G is our containers, our groups for G. T is text. Images are IMG. Multi-lines are ML. Inputs are I. Search box is SB. Drop downs is DD. Buttons is just B. And finally, repeating groups is RG. This allows you to keep the element within the name, but also to see as much as possible within the elements tree of what actually matters in the naming. Finally, let's hop over to our workflow folders. It's really important to have these folders and to organize your workflow actions into groupings that make sense, such as these are all the workflows that contain for my login activities. These are the workflows that contain for whenever I'm searching for an address. And finally, whenever I need to sign up or manage my sign up, these are the workflows that are important in my sign up. This makes it really easy to go in and find exactly the workflow that you need for the action that you're editing, modifying, or updating. And then finally, the last tip of today is our workflow notes or internal notes within your Bubble application. Now, Bubble kind of hides these things. So what I like to do is place an emoji in the workflow name just to let me know that I have a note attached to this workflow. And then within that workflow, you can click on the note and you can see that, hey, this is a sample note and here it is, right? And if you want bonus points, you can also place a Loom video in here discussing what this workflow means and what it does. This kind of context and internal notes and documentations just make it really easy for other people to come in and build along with you, or for you to return to a workflow that you built a month ago and to quickly get back up to speed. These things will help you manage and maintain your app faster, which will then allow you to spend more time on building and solving the problems for your users. So I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if so, please follow me on Twitter or subscribe to me on YouTube for more. See you tomorrow.